Roberta here with Performance Motor Cars. Today we have a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. It's got 101,000 miles on it. It has passed our 172-point mechanical and safety inspection. I'm gonna go ahead and get up in here for you. It will be detailed. It's a little dirty right now. Giving the engine a little rev there for you. All right, have a great day.